Okay, so for question A, they ask us to find an expression for area of this box. So to find area, what we can do is find the area of this larger square without the missing white pieces here, and then subtract these 4 missing squares afterwards. So the total area can be represented by area of the large square minus 4 times, since there's 4 of these little squares, times 4 times the area of the white box. So area of the large square is going to be represented by length times width, and it's going to be minused by 4 times the length and width of those small white squares. So length times width of this large square is going to be 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. And these 4 white squares are represented by x and x, as they said here. So x times by x, so it's going to be 10,000 minus 4x squared. And here's our expression for area.